Hey loves, it is your girl Joeylissette and welcome back to my channel. Fall is upon us. Bring out the pumpkins, bring out the coffee, bring out the hot chocolate. It is such a wonderful time. Today's look is bomb. There's no foundation on my skin. Not one piece, not one bit. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, too, your girl just came back from Croatia. Don't forget to check out that vlog, my Croatian vlog. Even walking outside, living in Florida. Well, it could be because it was after the hurricane. Which, speaking of, all my Floridian peoples, just keep those people in your thoughts and prayers. It's crazy. Let me go ahead and apply my Burt's Bees to my lips. It is fall, so you want to be as glowing as possible. So I'm going to be using my double duo to get the perfect skin every time. Milk Bionic Glow and Natasha Denona Skin Glass. Go ahead and apply this. I'm just drawing a line like so underneath, and I am just filling these in. Let me tell you guys, I feel so rested. I feel amazing. Going to Croatia, oh my gosh, was such a freaking dream. It was exactly what I needed. Why you get so dark all of a sudden? If you can, go to Croatia. I'm taking my one size powder. I'm just applying it all over where I put a concealer, just to mattify it and make it a lot easier to apply eyeshadow. So for this clean fall girl look, for this clean girl fall look, I'm really focusing on eyeliner. I don't want heavy eyeshadow. I really want a smoky eyeliner, like that whole Siren Eyes, which was originally Fox Eyes, which is originally a wing liner. Anyway, I feel like it looks very clean, very nice. So I'm going to take black and I am going to draw it out here. There you go, keep it nice and short. Up to here is perfect. I'm using my She Glam palette, Cookie, and we're gonna take this brown color. I'm going to take this color, Churro. So you see the difference from this eye to this eye. Nice and smoked out, very fall vibes. So then we're taking Humble Crumble. We're gonna apply it right on that harsh brown line. So now let's work on the front part of the eye. This part just stressed me out so much. It really does. It actually beyond stressed me out because every time I put it on the inner corner, who dropping this off from UPS? In the inner corner, it always smudge and I end up looking like a hot mess. So to prevent that, I'm actually going to try using this Epic Ink eyeliner from NYX, and it's brown. Why does this keep going dark? I did the other eye for TikTok, so I'm just go ahead and take these off. I feel like this side is longer than this side, and that's because it is. So the easy way to put on lashes, honestly, take your glue, just line your eyes. It is the easiest way. Oh no. Oh, it just fell off. Okay, let me put these lashes on. If they don't stop sticking, these lash extensions. So now it's time to work on the face part. Sticking with the clean girl theme, we're not going to apply foundation. It is all about concealer. So I'm going to take my Elf Hydrating Camo Concealer, medium beige. Get underneath the eyes. This looks so good! Well, it looked good through here because I don't have my glasses on. Because somebody stole my glasses actually 2 years ago. Bastards. So I took my Fair Warm Concealer. It's a little brighter because I want a little bit of contrast. So take my one size. Nose contour. So I'm going to be using for blush Rare Beauty Joy. It's like a really peachy, beautiful blush. Rare Beauty, Selena. I feel like she's such a beautiful soul inside too. Now I'm going to take from Il Makiage the Mineral Bake Blush in Toxic, and we want just a little bit. See the way this is melting? And I'm about to show you the colors I used to melt this down and blend it more into these two palettes. This one is from Shein. It's Sweet Cheeks Blush Trio, and I use this color here. This one, Nudes by Juvia's Place. My favorite colors, this one and this one, and this helps melt the blush. And I'm going to tap all of this all over. So for the lip combo, MAC Chestnut, my go-to lip liner. I love brown liner. I love that look. For lips, it is Myth, the satin lipstick from MAC. Now I'm going to try the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Heat.